Hello, and welcome to this Cossan tutorial, which is part of the Cossan training course on uncertainty quantification. In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install OpenCossan. We're going to download all the required files from a GitHub repository using the version control system called Git, and then prepare all the necessary files to initialize OpenCossan from the command window in MATLAB. So the first thing we can do is get our Git software. So for that we just go to Google and type Git download. We go to this website and then we choose the operative system that we have. In this case I have Windows, so I only click on Windows. And then automatically the download is going to start. I'm going to pause the video until the download is complete. Okay, the download is complete. So now we proceed to install Git. And we just follow the instruction to the installation instructions. We don't need to change anything. We just proceed to all the predefined options. And then we install it. I'm going to pause the video until the installation is finished. Okay, our installation is almost done. Now we just click on next and Git is complete. Okay, so we can run Git from a normal command prompt in Windows, so that's what we are going to do now. We can also use the Git command prompt, but in this time we're going to just use the command prompt from Windows. So now we have to go to the directory where we want to install OpenCossan. In this case, I'm just going to do it in desktop. So we just change the directory to desktop. Okay, so here's where I'm going to install OpenCossan. To check that we have installed and Git is ready to work, we just type Git and it's going to show us all the most common commands from Git. Now we're going to use the clone command to clone our repository into our computer. But for that we need the address where we want to download all the files. So for that we go to the Cossan website. So we go to cossan.co.uk and then we go to OpenCossan and then we go to download from GitHub and in the stable version. Okay, now we are in the master branch, which is where the stable version is. Here we can find some documentation. What we're going to do here is copy the HTTPS address so we can use it in Git. We just copy to our PC and then we just type git clone, then Control V to paste the address, and then we just press enter. And Git is going to start cloning all the files into our computer. The downloading time is going to depend on your internet speed. I'm going to pause this video until the download is finished. Okay, the download is complete. So now we have all the necessary files of OpenCossan. can see here, if I go to my desktop, here, and then I have here OpenCossan. Okay, so now we go to MATLAB to initialize OpenCossan. We recommend MATLAB 2018 or above. Most of the components should also work with less recent versions of MATLAB, but there is no guarantee of it. You just have to make sure that you have installed the statistical and machine learning toolbox, as well as the optimization toolbox and the computational biology toolbox. If you don't have it, you can just download it from the Get More Apps section in MATLAB. Okay, so now we have to go to the directory where we have just downloaded our files for OpenCossan. In this case, I just have it in desktop and then OpenCossan. Okay, now our current folder is in the root folder of OpenCossan. We just select all the folders that we want to add to the path, MATLAB path. Then we just go to add to path and then select folders and subfolders. Okay, now that they are all in the path, we just have to go to the command window and type OpenCossan. And now OpenCossan is being installed, and that's it. Now, to ensure that everything is correct on your OpenCossan version, you can run the test program included in the OpenCossan files that we just downloaded. So what we can do is just type run integration underscore tests, and then it's going to run a series of tests to make sure that everything is done and is ready for our analysis. I'm just going to pause the video until the tests are finished. It shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. That is it. When I just paused the video, it finished. So as you can see here, it only took 26.3 seconds for testing time. And that's it. Now you are ready to run your uncertainty quantification, reliability, and resilience analysis. Happy Cossaning!